What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be playing with a lot of slime. Should we try to make a slime bubble first? Okay, let's try it. First, we're spread it all out. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Isn't this such cool slime? It's all purple and looks so cute. And have these little white balls to make it so satisfying. Gooey, gooey, gooey. Okay, so we're gonna keep this on for today. And that was my background sound. So here it is, gooey, gooey, gooey. It's all my slime I have, actually. I mixed it all together, and yeah, this is what it came out. I have glitter, I have powder, I have balls, I have a bunch of slime. I can tell you that much. Look how big this is, guys. And fluffy and gloppy. That'd be it, guys. Subscribe and like.